now we're gonna do rolling back. Some people call it rolling like a ball because you are rolling like a ball. So, first you're sitting up, reach for your ankles, grab your feet and draw them towards your seat. And try to sit up and forwards. This looks easier than it is. Lift up and over, balance off of your feet, and now we go for it. Your elbows are pulling out to the sides, your shoulders are down, chin to chest. We're going for it. You ready? Inhale to go back, exhale to come up, and pause. Inhale to go back, exhale to come up, and pause. One more time. Inhale to go back, exhale to come up, pause, reset, and rest your feet. You can do that up to 6 times. It's challenging, it's fun, it's a massage for your back, it's even a massage for your internal organs. Hope you enjoy this one. Okay, so now it's time to learn rolling ball or rolling back. We're gonna start with a variation with your feet on the floor and your hands behind your thighs. Nod your chin towards your chest and then start to scoop your abdominals back to go back almost like our roll up. Hands behind your thighs and just go to there. Stay in that same rounded shape as you use your arms to help pull yourself forward over your legs. Stay in that rounded shape to start coming back, massaging your spine, deepening your abdominals, and coming forwards. Good. So that's one way to start preparing for this exercise. From there, let's reach around and grab towards your ankles as you slide your feet in towards your seat. Lift your spine, your back up and forwards over your legs. Start to bring your feet off and balance. And hold. 2, 3, and then place your feet on the floor. Let's try it again. Scoop your abdominals up your spine, balance, 2, 3, and place your feet down on the mat. That's really nice, Tanya. So now we can try to go into that rolling back, and I'm gonna do it first with the hands behind the thighs, because that's an option. So slide your feet just a little forwards and grab behind your thighs. Now, to do the rolling back, we'll still set it up with control. Start to bring your feet as close to your seat as you can. Balance for a moment with your feet off of the mat. You're going to inhale as you start to go backwards, keeping your chin in. Exhale to come up and pause. Try to balance. If you need to place your feet down, do it. Inhale back. Exhale, engage your abdominals to help you up. That's the help. Inhale back. You're doing great. Exhale up. Oh, sometimes it's okay if you don't get there. 2 more. Inhale back. It happens for all of us. Exhale. That's basically the fun of it. And massage into the mat and massage into the mat and pause and bring your feet down. So that's a variation that'll lead you to grabbing your ankles. And let's just try 3 like this. Slide your feet in. Now you're even more tucked into the ball shape. Inhale, think of your knees pulling towards your shoulders. Exhale, deepen your abdominals and try to pause. Inhale, massage. Exhale, massage. And one more time. Inhale back and exhale back. And pause, rest your feet and relax. And there you go. That's your rolling ball. Well done. That's it, the rolling ball exercise. Wasn't it fun? I know. Keep with the variations. Don't forget to go back to the initial videos for any kind of information that you feel like you're missing, and keep up the great work.